On April 23, 2016, Hoover landed in the United States on his 12th birthday after spending his life performing for a Peruvian circus. He was brought to Big Cat Rescue, where he can live out his days of retirement without having to perform again. He is now at a safe place where he gets plenty of love and respect for the majestic tiger that he is. So what better way to celebrate his 13th birthday and 1-year anniversary at Big Cat Rescue than with a giant tiger-sized meat vase?